Namaste beloved friends, welcome back to Beyond Traveling. In this video, I am going to give you the introduction of most basic text on meditation. It's called Vigyan Bhairav Tantra. It's not a book, it's the conversation between the Lord Shiva and the Adi Shakti Parvati. So Vigyan means science. Bhairava is the name of Lord Shiva. Bhairava also translate as super consciousness, and Tantra means technique. Normally we think Tantra is the sexual practices, but not. Tantra means technique. So Vigyan Bhairav Tantra. The meaning of this thing is the techniques by which one can realize the super conscious state. So there are 112 meditation technique. So how this text started? In the beginning, the Parvati, the Shakti asks Shiva that you are always in the meditative state. You are always peaceful. Many times you are just gone in the samadhi. I also want to do the same. I also want to realize your state, who you are actually. Then Shiva didn't tell anything. He said, okay, take this technique and practice it. Take this technique and practice this. So according to the thing, he gave 112 meditation technique. So these 112 meditation technique are very powerful. If you do just one technique, and you will realize that state of super consciousness, to the enlightenment, to the samadhi state. So there are 112 techniques. So people ask like how to practice these techniques. So just take one technique at one time and practice it for 3 days. And if you feel something inner is growing, something happen inside, then you continue this technique for 3 months at least. If you didn't find anything, the technique is not connected with you, then change the technique. After 3 days, practice 3 days and change the technique. Then change the technique. So you have to experiment. The one technique is not fixed for anyone. We have many techniques and many kind of people are there. So maybe one technique will fit for you, it will not fit for me. So try experiment on these techniques. And one important thing, try to be in a surrender way. Try to be just a playful way, not a serious way. You don't have to do the technique in a serious way. You just surrender, just in a calm and quiet way. You have to do the technique. Otherwise, it creating more tension in the body and mind, and you will try to find a goal, like I want to achieve this. So it's not achievement. You just coming into the present moment and just sitting silently and doing these techniques like a child play. You just experiment on this in non-serious way and try to be surrender. So for this technique you have to be a feminine quality within, like a surrender attitude. So without the surrender attitude you can't get anything from these techniques. You have to be like a the goddess Parvati, the goddess Shakti. So try to make your heart like a feminine quality, receiving the energy, receiving all these things, and surrender to this divine energy. So what are the techniques? I will just give you the brief summary of the techniques. Then in the upcoming videos we will going through each and every technique and how you can practice it in your day-to-day activities. So let's discuss what are the different techniques here. It's amazing techniques. They are techniques I will just tell you. Okay. So there are 5 techniques related to the breathing. Technique 1, 2, 3, 4 and 43. There are 4 techniques related to the body chakras. Technique number 5, 6, 8 and 31. There are techniques related to light. 5 techniques are there: 7, 11, 13, 14 and 26. There are techniques, 5 techniques on the sound: 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. There are technique related to the concentration method. 5 technique: 51, 52, 56, 76 and 88. There are technique related to the posture, technique number 53 and 57. There are technique related to the physical activity, technique number 55, 59 and 64. There are technique from the Hatha Yoga also, technique number 68 and 86. Technique related to find the outer emptiness, technique number 9, 34, 35 and 36. There are technique related to the inner emptiness, technique number 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. There are technique related to the feelings, the emptiness in the feeling, technique number 37. There are technique related to the feeling of body destruction, technique number 28 and 29. Technique related to the sense of unity in all, you are all, technique number 10, 30, 40, 41, 60, 67 and 75. There are technique related to various feelings, technique number 38, 47, 48, 49 and 50. There are technique related to the sexual feelings. Remember, there are only 2 techniques which related to the sexual things, technique number 45 and 46. There are technique related to sense of touch, technique number 54 and 58. There are technique related to the sense of fear, technique number 62, 63, 89, 90 and 92. So these are different variety of technique, different. So maybe you find the sound technique is connected to more, maybe you find the breathing technique is more connected to you, maybe you find some other technique. Just read the technique, just listen to my video, just read them, go through the techniques, just watch my videos and go through the technique, and maybe one technique will you will think that, you will feel that, okay, this technique, let me try this technique, maybe this technique will help me to grow, to calm down my mind, to realize the silence, the peacefulness. So try that technique for 3 days, and if you get connected to the technique, you will get something from the technique. Try the technique for 3 months continuous without any gap. So this text, the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra, is the ultimate text on the meditation. No text is comparable for this text. So I believe it, I know it from my heart that by practicing these techniques, you will certainly realize the inner happiness, the inner silence, the inner bliss, and then you can connect to this divine Mother Earth. So take care, take the technique and enjoy and be playful with these techniques. So see you in the next video with the techniques number 1, 2, 3, 4 and technique number 43. So tata, take care, love you all, be happy.